The 61-year-old woman died of breathing problems in the arms of her son at an isolation ward at an Agra hospital on Monday morning. Her COVID-19 report is still awaited. In videos that have gone viral on social media, her son has accused doctors at the hospital and paramedical staff of being indifferent to her condition since she was admitted a little past midnight.
मैंने कहा मां दिन होने दे, चिंता मत कर, तू सब पार हो जाएगा, भगवान पे भरोसा रख, केवल भगवान पे, और कोई भरोसे का नहीं है।
6 बजे मैं नीचे गया हूँ, खटखटाया है, किसी ने नहीं सुना। फिर 6:30 बजे मैं नीचे गया हूँ, वहाँ खटखटाया है, किसी ने नहीं सुना। फिर 7 बजे मैं नीचे गया हूँ तो एक आदमी कहता है कि हमारी शिफ्ट ख़त्म हो गई है, आप जाइए, दूसरे शिफ्ट वाले आएंगे, वो ही देखेंगे। मैंने मरते हुए देखा अपनी माँ को, मरते हुए।
जो लोग इलाज जिनका करना ज़रूरी है उसके लिए जो हेल्पलाइन चल रही है सीडीओ साहब के यहाँ, मैंने उसका रिव्यू किया है कि जो भी केसेस आए जिनको अपना इलाज कराना है कोरोना के अलावा, उनको समय से हम लोग एडमिशन करा सकें। और आज हमने टीम बनाया है कि जो हमारा मेडिकल कॉलेज है उसमें जो डेथ हुई है, जैसे आज खबर छपी है, तो जो लखनऊ से अधिकारी आए उनको एक जांच के लिए कहा है, शाम तक जांच आके आएगी उस पेशेंट का इलाज ठीक से हुआ था नहीं हुआ था।
Alok Pandey joining us for more on that story. Alok, what is the hospital saying in response to this?
Well, so far we haven't had a response from the hospital, Nidhi. But I think those visuals are very shocking and very difficult to watch, that man is literally trying to revive his mother at 10 in the morning and she died in her arms. He told me on the phone that the mother said कि इससे अच्छा तुम मुझे घर पे ही मर जाने देते, यहाँ तड़प तड़प क्यों मरने दे रहे हो? And I think the larger issue again is the fact that those who are not suffering from COVID-19 or whose reports are awaited, and if they are in a serious condition, they also deserve treatment. Now, we've had some reports in the past also that hospitals are turning away such patients, but this seems to be the first instance where it has been captured on camera. Where this man in a viral video is now saying that, look, I went to the hospital, they said I would be admitted, but nobody came near my mother, and that he also says that he had to carry his mother up one floor to the isolation ward, and he had to figure out himself how to use the cylinder and the nebulizer. Now, of course, the government has ordered an inquiry, and one will hope that we will get an update from them later in the night, Nidhi, or what conclusion they have come to. But one must then hope that corrective action will be taken and other patients who are in emergency situations will be attended to in all this focus, and rightly so perhaps, all this focus over COVID-19.